Hello. Nomad sculpt a cape or such a mantle. Um, oops, there was a in the forum, yes, sculpting clothes and how to do this. This is also yes. Let's try to make such a cape like this. I only do the cape, nothing more in this tutorial. Um, let's open this scene and let's go in the back view. And I think the perfect tool for this is a tube tool. Use the pass function and draw only a straight line and green dot. In the topology menu, you can adjust it here a little bit. Use only a few divisions and bring the tube in position. At the top, activate all radius points, and at the bottom you can lock your object. I think it's better to activate the material additive, then you can look through it a little bit and you can see the shape of the body, and bring in more points, and yes, you can create the rough shape of the cape. And in the topology you can adjust here. Here you can bring in more divisions. Keep it low at the beginning. You can bring in more topology easy. Then go in the side view, use a gizmo and scale it a little bit in this direction and bring it in position. Now we can validate the object. Okay, we need a solo view and we can make it additive again. Not additive, sorry, opaque. And we can use now the mask. Mask tool is active. A small radius is okay. And then we mask, sorry, I go a step back and activate the symmetry. Then we mask here the contour of the cape. And it's easy because you can pick every point of the mesh very easy and in an exact way. I think we got everything. Is there a point missing? Let's test it. In the mask settings, there's a split function. Split it. Fine. We can deselect the lock function and select the part we don't need and delete it. We only need this part. Let's leave the solo view. It's okay. And in the top view, we can use the move brush and move every point of the mesh like this, and now we can bring in more topology. In the topology settings, in the multi-resolution, press on subdivide one time, and here you can adjust the edges of the cape a little bit. And yes, now it's possible to begin sculpting. You can use the inflate brush with normal settings, not sub, and brush here a little bit to bring it. We give the body a color, then you can see it better. Like this. And select now the cape and brush with the inflate here to bring it back on the surface. You see, like this. Some parts you can trim off. Make sure hole filling is off and use the lasso tool like this. And okay. If you want to bring in more topology on yes, a specific point, you can use the split function here, hole filling off, and in the top view we can use the lasso and split here the mesh like this. And now when you select both meshes, come on, you can simple merge it. Then it's one complete mesh again. And so it's possible to mask its parts and yes, adjust it. Sorry, I mirror the mesh one time from the right to the left or left to the right to keep the symmetry. And now I use a mask, or cell mask is okay. And I mask this part here and invert the mask. Come on. Oh, sorry. Now it's inverted. And with a gizmo it should now be possible to bring in a form like this or a shape like this. Yes, I think it's okay. We can clear the mask. Now you can move around some parts. When you don't need some parts of the mesh, you can mask it. Small radius, like this. Where is it? And split it. And now you can delete this part. Yes. If you need more topology, subdivide it, and yes, you're fine. When you need, I think the word is wrinkles, or you can use the inflate brush, for example. Adjust the radius a little bit and here brush in um, some wrinkles. Like this. And it's also possible to use a crease, a very low setting, and crease here a little bit. Yes, now you can sculpt. Let's give it a color. I think blue is cool. Royal blue. Okay, that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.